Welcome to our Home Garden Guide channel. Here is Rosa speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. It is pressure balance waterfall single handle wall mount tub faucet with hand shower, matte black. Let's start to introduce product related information, pictures, and more information in detail. Also welcome to go on our website 𝐚𝐴𝐴𝐿.com. 1. Waterfall spout. The long open channel spout fills the tub quickly and effortlessly and makes a beautiful waterfall statement, a sensual and dynamic element to your bathing experience. 2. Great flexibility, handheld shower with 60-inch PVC shower hose for targeted cleaning during a bath, rinsing off after a bath or washing children and pets with ease, offer maximum flexibility and movement. 3. Pressure balanced valve. A pressure-balanced valve can protect you against scalding or cold water shock by keeping the water at a constant temperature during water pressure fluctuations. 4. Built to last, constructed from the highest quality solid brass and finished in superior corrosion and rust-resistant. 5. High-quality meets CUPC standard, lead-free brass structure, standard NPT 1/2 thread, compatible with most shower systems. Multi-layer high-precision plating technology prevents corrosion. 1. Primary material, brass. 2. Handheld shower head, brass. 3. Hose, stainless steel. 4. Mounting location, wall mounted. 5. Number of faucet holes, 2. 6. Resistance type, scratch resistant, rust resistant, corrosion resistant, tarnish resistant. 7. Maximum flow rate, GPM 2.5 gallons per minute. 8. Faucet control type, pressure balanced, temperature and volume. 9. Handles included, yes. 10. Number of handle, 1. 11. Handle type, knob. 12. Mounting hardware included, yes. 13. Diverter included, yes. 14. Handheld shower included, yes. 15. Valve included, yes. 16. Supply lines included, yes. 17. Hose included. 18. Riser included, no. 19. Meet CUPC, yes. 20. Finish, matte black. About Home Garden Guide. Shop from a great collection of patio furniture and home decorations at http://www.𝐚𝐴𝐴𝐿.com. Our store offers quality bathtubs, showers, shower doors, toilets and bidets, vanity sinks, freestanding tub faucets, bathroom lighting, bathroom mirrors, portable infrared sauna, bathroom sink faucets, washer and dryers, bathroom storage, and more. 𝐚𝐴𝐴𝐿 is a professional store for furnitures and home improving and decoration products. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions and details which can help customers select their goods easily. For bulk orders, 𝐚𝐴𝐴𝐿 can customize according to your needs and offer special prices according to the amount. If you buy 5+ random items per order, you will get more discounts. For OEM and ODM wholesale orders, please contact the manufacturer via doloresjmonez12@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.